Hi everyone, this is Laurie with Journey with the Gingers, and I'm going to give you a room tour of cabin number 7330 on the Carnival Sunshine.
My name is Hannah, and this is my mother Laurie. We are the mother-daughter duo that make up Journey with the Gingers. For this trip, we are on a 4-day cruise on the Carnival Sunshine, and in this video, we will be taking you on a room tour of an aft cabin with a balcony, stateroom number 7330.
Hannah and I are sailing on the Carnival Sunshine for a 4-day cruise. We're going to Half Moon Cay, and we have this aft balcony, and let's go ahead and take a look and let me show you what it looks like. Cabin number 7330 is an aft cabin, which means it's in the very back of the ship. It has a great view, and the balcony is a little bit more extended than normal balconies. So when you walk in the door, the first thing you're going to see are all the closets. Sorry, I'm super close, but the first closet has shelves. This is also where you'll find your life jackets. Hope we won't need those. The second closet has an area for you to hang up some clothes, and it also has your safe, and then there's another area to hang up some clothes. And the third closet has a longer area to hang up clothes, and of course you can put your shoes and whatever in the bottom. And there's some hangers. Looks like we might need to ask for a few more hangers, but we can ask our room attendant for that. When you come in the door to the left, you'll find the bathroom. The bathroom has 4 shelves, 2 on this side and 2 on this side. Of course you have your sink and that toilet and your towels. And let's take a look at the shower. It's actually a pretty big rectangular shower. It does have a shower curtain. And then you have a dispenser for body wash and shampoo. And as we go further into the room, there is a couch, and I imagine that would fold out to another bed if you needed it, and a little table. And they've already given us our towels for the pool and for Half Moon Cay. And it skews our luggage. We have the room set up with 2 twin beds. And with 2 twin beds, they can be pushed together and you can have a king size bed. And between our beds, we have this nightstand, which also has some storage in it. For the vanity area, there's more shelves. I'm going to show you the outlet situation, because a lot of people talk about how much outlets are on a cruise ship and how few outlets are on a cruise ship. So these are your outlets.
Alright, so typically when you get into your room, the only outlet you see on the Carnival Sunshine is going to be these outlets right here, but you can't really use this one because this is blocking it, so she really only has 3, but I use this at home. This one has 5, and there's a secret plug back here
behind the television.
This is the cord to the television. If you unplug this, and you put this in here, just have it use one of your one of your plugs in your adapter, your television will still work, and this way you will have more plugs other than just what you can see at the vanity.
And they've given us some water that we can purchase for $3.95. We won't do that. We'll get some free waters of those size because we're cold. Then there's a QR directory that you can get things like safety information and all that stuff. And we do have some water that we ordered ahead of time that was delivered to our room. You also have 3 drawers, and in one drawer you have a hair dryer. You also have a refrigerator. I kind of like to call it a cooler because it doesn't really get super cold, but it will keep your waters kind of cold. So we'll put our waters in there. And then you also have a stool that can be used as you're getting ready. And then, of course, your mirror. And there's a TV. And of course, the reason why you want to have an aft balcony cabin is the balcony. So let's go take a look. And then we have a Hannah.
I'm freezing.
It's cold today.
The room was too small for me to stay in there.
The balcony on an aft cabin has 2 chairs and a table. And my favorite thing is a lounge chair. Are you being Vanna?
2 chairs, a table,
So now let's show you our view. Right now we're in Charleston and we have a view. So the best thing about having an aft cabin is the view. So that is the tour of an aft balcony cabin, cabin 7330 on the Carnival Sunshine. So we're gonna have a fun 4 days. What do you think, Hannah?
I'm sorry, I'm laying down already. It's great. It's gonna be fantastic. Yay. You see my butt? Are you looking?
I'm not recording you. I'm just got your audio going on.
Okay, cool. Yeah, it's gonna be great. Fantastic. Woo!
So Hannah, what do you want to tell them to do if they haven't subscribed to our channel? You want them to
Subscribe. You should probably do that.
We're gonna have more videos coming out on the Carnival Sunshine. Bye.
Yay.
Yay. Bye.